Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got a 2009 Honda Civic. If you have a 2007 to 2011 Honda Civic and your AC does not work, I'm going to tell you to buy something in this box. Alright, this thing is about $11-12 and there's a part number right there. So let's talk about what happened with this vehicle. So this is a Honda Civic again. Here's a fuse box cover right here. I got the customer standing right next to the car on this side, right in the front. And she doesn't want to be on the camera, that's okay. But this is what happened. She came in, the AC doesn't work. I told her to get in the car, put the AC on. The AC compressor did not kick on. So I asked her a question, what happened? Was your AC working? And this was her response. What happened to your AC? You told me. Tell me exactly what you told me earlier.
So it was working perfectly fine last year. Earlier, like a few weeks ago when I turned it on, it started off cold, then all of a sudden it started getting really hot, and then it just stopped giving cool air. And since then it hasn't been working.
Alright, so pretty much her AC is coming on and off, on and off. So the problem there was immediately I picked up, it could be three things. Bad relay, bad AC compressor, or low on Freon, air in the Freon. A lot of people like to put Freon in the system with the can. That's a bad idea because there's air in the system. So if you jam in the air with Freon, the Freon is going to circulate, come back around, air is going to come, it's going to blow hot. That could be one of the reasons. But AC was dead. As soon as I popped in a new relay, I have a relay right here. I'm going to show you exactly how to. This is the relay right here. It's $11 piece. And I pulled out the relay with the needle nose and popped in another relay. She turned on the car and it was like magic. I'm going to show you how to change this on your Honda Civic. So if you're having those symptoms, that's exactly what you got to do. If it doesn't work after that, you're going to have to go further, okay? So let's look into the fuse box. Okay, so I closed up the box here. So this is how simple it is. This is the old relay right here. There's a part number right there. If you need, it's 2039 Apple 12 David. That's the original in there. So this fuse box opens up really easy. You just push on the two tabs here. Once this opens up, if you need to locate the relay, you know, for the AC is going to be cold, so it's going to have a little frosting sign right there. So that's the snowflake right there from the movie Frozen. And just the way it is on this, it's in the same position here. So as you can see, this little guy right here looks different than the rest of them. So what I did was, with car off, the car's got to be off, engine's got to be off. So this is the old relay. So you simply take your plier and you pull out the relay. This relay looks a little different. It's taller. It doesn't have that little notch. That's okay. But the notch is only indicates which way it's gonna go, okay? Like this relay won't fit there because of the notch. But this relay, if I try to put it in that direction, it won't fit. You can't go wrong. You're only gonna go one way. And there you go. And the AC is working. Another thing you're gonna check is, put the AC on. You're gonna touch this fat AC line, okay? The one that says low, it's a low pressure. This one's gonna be hot. Once you put the AC on, this should be ice cold. If it's mild cold, then you might be low on Freon. But this is really nice and cold. It's probably gonna have moisture on it after like 10 minutes of a drive. And that's a good sign. Another sign you're gonna have is that your AC compressor clutch down there is not gonna come on. But when you put the AC on, both of your fans are gonna kick on, okay? What that gonna indicate to you is it has Freon. This AC pressure switch is working, everything is working, but the AC compressor either is bad or it's not getting power from the relay. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you in the next one.